So just first question is, how is the perception changing regarding acceptance of renewable energy in both rural and urban areas?
Well, unfortunately, what was till now the case was that people think that solar energy or renewable energy is good for villages where they have no power. We already have power, so why do we require renewable?
Yes, sir.
But now with awareness that it is not just about availability of energy, but also about protecting environment, more and more city people, more and more youngsters are getting going green. And so it's a good model because I think that for a poor man, rich man is a model.
Definitely.
And he will say, if it's so good, why is the rich man not using it? He forgets that he doesn't need it because rich man has power.
Yes,
But now that we have started using solar energy, now our villagers are also saying we also want power because if we can have power at night when there is no sun. So I think city people have to become models for the villages, and
yes,
that is happening.
That is happening. That is a positive thing that's happening. And the second question is, what steps should the government take in order to promote these kind of technologies that your ashram is working on so far?
See, the problem is that government started right because government realized that renewable energy is not viable because it is competing against conventional fuel, which is subsidized. So they brought in subsidy. But at some stage, I think government lost the focus.
Yes.
Government started controlling technologies. Government started saying, we will give subsidy for this product, but not for this product. This product is good, this is bad. And because of that, it killed innovations. And that's why we have not seen any technological jump in solar hot water system because it was already specified that you can get only subsidy if you have got 2 square meter of area, 100 liter it should produce. Instead of saying, okay, if you produce 100 liters with 1 square meter, which is innovation.
Definitely.
It was actually stopping people doing innovation. So government started controlling technologies. Again, but that is changing. Government is realizing that its job is to be a facilitator
Yes,
and making it more popular and leave it to the manufacturer to come up with product. The end result is more important.
Okay.
So that is also changing. But government should restrict its role and not be come in with red tapeism, bureaucracy, and kill the technology. For example, now we wanted to do this biogas plant.
Yes, sir.
And government gave us a subsidy of 3.72 crore rupees for that project.
Okay.
But all of a sudden they withdrew it. Why? Because you have not done it in time. Government took 16 months to sanction the project and they want us to do a technology which is for the first time in India of such a large scale in 9 months. So unrealistic demand from government who does not know what he's talking about.
Exactly, sir. So, but even the government is on going towards the right direction, even if it is.
But sooner the better. I think it's the problem is it's very slow. Government still has that old attitude, we are right and we know what is right for the people.
Yes,
They forget that people are smarter. They may not be as illiterate. And I showed you in my example.
Yes, sir, the wisdom, sir. And just last question, what are the future plans for your ashram? Like, you've already made it so sustainable. After you make the whole carbon footprint is zero, what is your future plans after that?
So we are working parallelly. Means on one side we are keeping on increasing our renewable energy portfolio, not only to become carbon neutral, but also trying out new technologies. Because we know that as an ashram, we can afford to do things which a normal industry will not do. Because they always have to look at the bottom line.
Definitely,
as ashram, we say, for us the bottom line is not saving money, but also social benefit.
Yes,
if we are able to produce a technology which will be helpful in next generation, we will still do for it. So we develop technologies here, new technologies, we try them out there and we take it to the villages. So our idea is that once we are successful, we like to go out to villages nearby and convert them green and let that be a multiplier effect.
Yes. Okay, so thank you very much.